Welcome to My Language, My Learning. Change the way we learn. Today we will know in this module about tense rules. In the previous video we discussed about present tense. Today we will know about what is past tense and what are the different rules. So here we will discuss about past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. So what is past tense? So past tense is used to describe a past activity or action. Whatever action that has been performed in the nearby past, कोई भी बीती हुई घटना को describe करने के लिए हम लोग past tense का use करते हैं. It is a form of the verb that defines the events that have already occurred. So here we use the form of verb that has occurred in the nearby past. So there are some examples. The first one is Rima attended the wedding functions. He left before I reached. Priya wrote a letter to her friends from camp. So here, this was the brief idea about what is past tense and what were the examples. Now we will know the uses, its structure. So the structure of the sentence का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होता है? सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट होता है, देन वर्ब किस फॉर्म में होता है? V2 फॉर्म में, एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट. लाइक रीता वेंट टू स्कूल. सो हियर रीता is subject and went is the second form of the verb and school is the object. Next one is Minty ate food. So again here, Minty is the subject, ate is the second form of verb, and food is the object. So now uses. So action took place in the past, mostly connected with an expression of time, last, ago, yesterday. Whatever हमें कुछ भी शेयर करना हो, the whatever event that has occurred in the nearby past, like last, it was a time ago, or yesterday, then we use simple past tense. Now form. The simple past tense is used by using the past tense form of verb. We use here past tense form of verb. That is the V2 form. Examples are she sang. So sang is here the past tense form of verb. The children played. So again played is the V2 form. I wrote a letter. Here wrote is the V2 form of verb. Now the second form is the negative sentences have the form did not or did not plus main verb. This is the structure how a negative sentence is framed. Negative sentence कैसे frame होता है? तो we add did not or didn't plus the main verb. Like she did not sing. Here did not is the form and the main verb is sing. The children didn't play and I did not write a letter. So negative फॉर्म में क्या होता है कि हम लोग वर्ब को V1 फॉर्म में ही लिखते हैं. Here V2 फॉर्म में चेंज नहीं होता है. एंड वहीं पे यहाँ पे जैसे ये पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, so here the form of the verb is in the V2 form. Now the third is the interrogative sentences are formed by placing did before the subject and the base form of the verb after the subject. जब इंटेरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन या इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस हमें बनाना होता है, देन हाउ वी फॉर्म देम, दैट वी ऐड डिड बिफोर द सेंटेंस एंड वर्ब इज एडेड आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट. वर्ब हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के बाद लगता है. सो एग्जांपल इज डिड शी सिंग. द सेकंड वन इज डिड द चिल्ड्रन प्ले. द थर्ड इज डिड आई राइट अ लेटर. Now the fourth one is the negative interrogative sentences are formed by placing did before the subject and not before the verb. So इसमें क्या है कि जो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस था उसमें हम did कहाँ पे ऐड करते थे? बिफोर द वर्ब. बट जो नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है वहां पे हम लोग did को सब्जेक्ट से पहले ऐड करेंगे एंड वर्ब जो है वो V1 फॉर्म में ही रहेगा. लाइक The first one is, did she not sing? Or didn't she sing? And the second example is, didn't the children play? Now these are the uses. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action that was completed in the past. Generally, the adverbials of the past are used. We use the adverb of the past, like I went to Delhi yesterday. So yesterday here denotes the past action. He wrote a letter to her last week. So last week he wrote a letter. So this is again a past action. She met us 2 days ago. So here again it is describing a past action. Sometimes without adverbials of time. So here yesterday, last week and ago. These are what adverbs. Okay. So now in this sentence, here adverbs of time is not used. Here time denoted that the action was performed in the nearby past. And these are the sentences. Here past action is being described. पास्ट एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है बट यहाँ पे टाइम डिनोट नहीं किया जा रहा है. कोई एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम इज नॉट मेंशन्ड इन दिस सेंटेंसेस. और ये वाले में क्या था कि हम लोग एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम को मेंशन किए थे. सो माय फादर कांग्रेचुलेटेड मी ऑन माय ब्रिलियंट सक्सेस. And the next one is, our team won the match. So here his father congratulated him for his success. So here there is no mention of the adverbs of time. And again on the second one, our team won the match. So here the team won the match in the past, but here there is no mentioning of the adverbial of time. The third is, for an activity done in the past. If something activity is being performed in the nearby past, then what we use simple past tense. So Satish studied for 3 hours. How long Satish studied? He studied for 3 hours. I swam for half an hour. How long he swam? He swam for half an hour. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म हो रहा है, like studying, swam. We talked for 5 minutes. So again here talking. These are all what? These are all activity. So these are being described. These are all describing the simple past tense uses. The next one is to express a habitual or regular action in the past. If some action is happening, अगर कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है, वो भी कैसे? एक रेगुलर बेसिस पे, देयर इज सम हैबिट, तो उसे भी हम लोग पास्ट टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस से डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. लाइक माय फादर ऑलवेज गॉट अप एट 4 AM. So here what? His father has a habit. 4 बजे he used to wake up in the morning. So this is being described in a past tense structure. She visited the temple every day. So here also this is her habit to visit the temple every day. He worked in his garden every Sunday. So this is the past. This is the past action and it is being performed on a regular basis. वो हर weekends में हर Sunday को अपने garden पे work करता है. So it is describing a habitual or regular action. Now the fifth is in conditional clauses. जब conditional clauses होते हैं तो भी क्या होता है? Simple past tense का use किया जाता है. Like if you went there, you should meet him. The second is if she worked hard, she would pass. So here are what? Conditions दिया जा रहे हैं. And these are all clauses. Like अगर वो वहां पे, if you went there, if तुम वहां पे गए, then तुमको वहां पे मिलना, उससे मिलना चाहिए था. You should have met him. You should met him. So there is a condition that वो अगर वहां जाता है तभी वो उससे मिल पाएगा. And वो पास कैसे करेगी? If she would worked hard. If she would worked hard, then only she would pass. The third is if he accepted my advice, he would overcome his difficulty. Again there is conditional clause, like अगर वो उसके advice को accept करता है, accept करता है, then only his difficulty would be overcome. Okay, now in the indirect form of speech. So when there is indirect form of speech, then what we use past tense structure. Like he said, I work for 8 hours every day. So here V2 form is used. Then next one is, he said that he worked for 8 hours every day. So इस सेंटेंस को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में जब ट्रांसलेट किया जा रहा है, then it is being translated into the simple past tense. He said that he worked for 8 hours every day. Here said, worked, ये दोनों क्या है? V2 form of verb है, that is describing the past action, and also here 8 hours every day. So ये क्या है? ये टाइम को मेंशन कर रहा है, एडवर्बियल टाइम. Now second example, my teacher said, I pray to God for your success. So after conversion, it will be, my teacher said that he prayed to God for our success. So again, said, prayed is the V2 form of the verb. Now we move to past continuous tense rules. So इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होगा? सब्जेक्ट प्लस was प्लस V1 प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट singular. Okay, for singular this will be subject plus was plus V1 ing and object. Here there is some ये. Then for the plural form we will use subject plus where plus V1 plus ing plus object. So सिंगुलर फॉर्म के लिए हम लोग was यूज करेंगे एंड प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए हम लोग where का यूज करेंगे. नाउ कम टू एग्जाम्पल. लाइक फॉर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस क्या होता है? जो कि चलता आ रहा है, वो पास्ट का एक्शन है बट अभी तक वो एंड नहीं हुआ है. लाइक और इट हैज बीन डिस्क्राइबिंग एक कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करा जाए तो. The example is, I was eating pudding. So what she was eating? She was eating pudding, and this is in ing form. Now he was writing a letter to the editor. So again here what? The writing is what? In the ing form. Eating is also in the ing form. So both the verb actions are in the form of ing form. Now these are the uses. So past progressive tense has the form was or were plus present participle. So he was writing a letter. So ये क्या है कि इसमें क्या यूज किया जा रहा है? That was or were is being used और participle form of verb, participle action को डाला जा रहा है. Like he was writing a letter, the children were playing, the girls were singing. So this is very simple. The next one is, the negative sentences are formed by placing not between was or were and the present participle. So what is being done here कि यहाँ पे not को add किया जाता है was and were के साथ. Like he was not writing a letter and the children were not playing, the girls were not singing. Now how the interrogative sentences will be framed here. So the interrogative sentences are formed by placing was or were before the subject. Subject के पहले was or were add किया जाएगा. Like, was he writing a letter? Were the children playing? Were the girls singing? So यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया गया कि was और were को subject से पहले add किया गया है. So this is very clear. Like this is the simple statement, simple action describing. ये negative का हो जाएगा. Negative में we have added not after was or were, and interrogative में was and were is used before the subject. The negative interrogative sentences are formed by putting was or were before the subject and not before the present participle. यहाँ पे क्या है कि was और were कहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है? सब्जेक्ट से पहले, एंड प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल के पहले हम लोग यूज नहीं करेंगे. इन कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स वी राइट wasn't और were not. Like was not and were not को हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में या फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? Like wasn't and weren't. So here is the example. Was he not writing a letter? So ये कैसे change हो गया? Wasn't he writing a letter? The next is were the girls not singing? So it has been written in were not the girls singing, and here the were the children not playing. तो ये कैसे change हो गया? Were not the children playing? So now we will move to the next part, that is the uses of the past progressive tense or past continuous tense. So it is used to express a state or an action that was continuing at a certain point of time in the past. वो past में वो क्या हो रहा था? वो चलते आ रहा था. It was not ended. It had begun before the point and was probably continuing after it. वो it was started at a point और वो चल ही रहा था. We use adverbials of time. और past continuous tense को use करने के लिए we use adverbials of time. For example, she was cooking at 8 a.m. So here 8 a.m. is what? It is adverbial of time and this is the continuous action being described here. Like ये जो चल रहा है action उसे ही बताया गया है, like she was cooking. The next is I was going to college in the morning. So adverbial of time यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Morning हो जाएगा. And I was going to college. So this is again I was going to college is a describing a past action. ये interrogative form में है. Was the farmer returning from his fields in the evening? So this is again the past progressive tense structure. Example. This is to express an action that was in progress in the past. Like he was sleeping, she was sleeping, and I was reading a newspaper. So ये क्या था? It was in the progress in the nearby past. Now the next one is to express an action in progress at some point of time in the past when another event took place. Like she was watching TV when he came. Then to express an action in progress at some point of time in the past when another event took place. So यहाँ पे another event क्या हुआ है? That he came when she was watching the TV. Again, he was reading a novel when the doorbell rang. So other action को भी बताया जा रहा है. The next is I was sleeping when my father came from his office. Now, the fourth is to describe two or more actions continuing at the same time. Like while I was bathing, my sister was washing clothes. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि दो action को describe किया जा रहा है. Again, he was doing homework. His brother was listening to the songs. So, both are describing the different actions. Two or more actions. Fifth use is to indicate a frequently repeated action or persistent habit. कोई persistent habit को represent करने के लिए. Example, he was constantly complaining about something or the other. So he has a habit of complaining. Thus the next one is he was always finding fault with my work. So what? There was fault in the work. फिर third क्या हो जाएगा? थर्ड में क्या है? सोहन was always smoking whether at home or in office. So he has a nature of complaining about smoking. Sorry, Sohan was always smoking whether at home or in office. So he has a habit of smoking whether he was at home or at office. So we discussed about simple past tense rules and उसके structure को जाने and उसके uses and some examples. After that, past continuous tense. Now there is past perfect tense rules. So subject इसका जो structure है, this will be subject plus had plus V3 plus object. इसके example क्या होंगे? He had taken the brush token. He had taken the token. I had brushed my teeth. So here the structure is subject is he Had is the describing the perfect tense structure rule. V3 taken form, and the object is here the token. The next example is I had. So again, I is subject, had is the perfect tense structure, and brushed is the V3 form, and teeth is the object. So here it has what are the forms, how it is written. So the past perfect tense has the form had plus past participle, like he had taken his lunch. Next is I had read this book before. Third is she had never been to Agra. So यहाँ पे object he है, इसमें I है, and here she. Had is there. After that V3 form, taken, read, and never. And lunch, before, and Agra are the object here. Now the negative sentences are formed by placing not after had. Had के बाद क्या होता है? Not लगा दिया जाता है. And the contracted form of had not का क्या होगा? Had not or hadn't. We will read it hadn't. So he had not taken his lunch. I hadn't read this book before. She had not been to Agra. Here the interrogative sentence are formed by using had before the subject. Subject से पहले had लग जाएगा, then this will get transformed into an interrogative sentence. Example, had he taken his lunch? Had I read this book before? Had you ever been to Agra? Fourth is the negative interrogative sentences are formed by placing had not before the subject. There is little bit mistake. Had, it will be had before the subject and not before the past participle. Like had, this will be had. There is some mistake. So had क्या होगा? Subject से पहले लगेगा, and where the not will be added, not past participle से पहले लगेगा. Like had he not taken his lunch? So here had is before the subject and not is taken before the past participle. The next is had you not read this book before? Third is had you never been to Agra? Now here are the uses of past perfect tense. So the past perfect tense is used for an action that has been completed before another action began in the past. Like I had done my work before he came. The next is the guests had already left when she reached there. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि ये complete हो चुका है nearby. Okay. It has started and it has been completed before another action began. Like I had done my work before he came. उसके आने से पहले उसने अपना work complete कर लिया. So another action से पहले ही उसका action complete हो चुका है. The guest had already left when she reached there. So उसके पहुंचने से पहले guest चले गए. So this is the example. Now second is to describe an action taking place before a particular time in the past. So here an action is being described before a particular time, like by 2 p.m. all the students had left the school. So here action बताया जा रहा है और एक time के साथ में उसे correlate किया जा रहा है, like within this time ये action हो चुका है. Like second one is by 6 a.m. he had left for Delhi. So 6 a.m. होने से पहले उसने दिल्ली छोड़ दिया. Third use is to describe an action in the past which became the cause of another action. Like एक की वजह से दूसरा action हुआ. Like the children was crying because the father had bitten him. So here father क्या करते हैं? The father bit him. Father ने उसे मारा, इसलिए the child was crying. Second example is Sonu was weeping because he had lost his bag. So again he is weeping. Why? Because his lost bag is lost. Now, to describe an action in the past using the time adverbials such as already, since, before, etc. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि adverbials of time यूज किया गया है और what are the adverbials of time like already, since, before. ये सब हम लोग adverbials यूज करेंगे like he had already left for Ludhiana. She had not come here since 1960. They had not met each other before. Now the fifth is to express an unfulfilled wish. Like if you had worked hard, you would have passed. The second is if they had left early, they would have caught the train. So here unfulfilled wish है जैसे कि अगर वो जल्दी निकलता तो वो ट्रेन उसे मिल जाती है जो उसका एक्शन है वो परफॉर्म नहीं हो पाया. इट हैज बीन जस्ट डिस्क्राइबिंग और एक्सप्रेसिंग द विशेस like if you had worked hard you would have passed. So here if you दिखाया जा रहा है कि अगर वो हार्ड वर्क करता तो वो पास हो जाता. Now this is the last past perfect continuous tense rule. So subject इसका structure क्या होगा subject plus had been plus v1 plus ing plus object. So examples क्या होंगे यहाँ पे he had been standing in the rain the whole night. यहाँ पे क्या extra add हो रहा है been. Okay, so here he is the subject, had been is the perfect continuous past perfect continuous and again v1 plus ing, so standing is the verb and object क्या हो जाएगा rain. Again I had been eating diet food for the whole summer. Now here are the forms. So सबसे पहले पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस के लिए हम लोग देखेंगे द पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस हैज द फॉर्म हैड प्लस बीन प्लस present participle like they had been waiting here since morning. So here what कि एक पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव सेंटेंस को पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव सेंटेंस को यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है एंड जो फॉर्म होगा वो क्या होगा हैड प्लस बीन प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल लाइक दे हैड बीन वेटिंग हियर सिंस मॉर्निंग. देन हैड क्या हो जाएगा इज द स्ट्रक्चर हैड प्लस बीन एंड वेटिंग हियर इज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. अगेन सी हैड बीन डांसिंग फॉर हाफ एन आवर. Negative sentences are formed by using not between had and been. Like had not been से negative sentence construct हो जाएगा. The example is they had not been doing any work. Next is she had not been dancing. Now the interrogative sentences are formed by using had before the subject. Subject से पहले had use किया जाता है like had they been doing any work and had she been dancing for half an hour. So just by adding had before the subject we form the interrogative sense structure. सारे में क्या है सेम ही रूल्स है बस हम लोगों को उसका जो भी सेंटेंस है उसका स्ट्रक्चर याद करना है. लाइक इंटरोगेटिव में क्या करना है हैड यूज बिफोर होगा हैव और हैड और डिड फॉर द सिंपल प्रेजेंट और यहाँ पे जैसे जो नेगेटिव होगा उसमें नॉट ऐड कर देना है. सो दिस आर वेरी बेसिक एंड सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट्स जस्ट यू हैव टू मेक इट क्लियर. इसको अच्छे से समझ लो देन इट विल बी इजी. The negative interrogative sentences are formed by placing had before the subject and not before been. So यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि negative को had को subject से पहले डालना है and been से पहले not को add करना है. Like had they not been waiting for us and had she not been dancing for half an hour. तो इसमें क्या change हो गया transform हो गया negative sentences. Now uses. So what are the uses? The past perfect progressive tense is used to describe an action in the past that had begun and had been doing on for some time before another action took place. Like she had been dancing for half an hour when we reached. So एक action के complete होने से पहले तक जो action चल रहा होता है उसको describe करने के लिए. Like before reaching When we reached there, she had been dancing for half an hour. वो half an hour से dance कर रही थी. The match had been going on for several hours. So for several hours the match चल रहा था. The next one is to express a repeated action in the past. एक repeated action को describe करने के लिए भी what we use past progressive tense, like she had always been asking us for help. So ये repeated है, वो हमेशा help मांगते रहती है. Next is they had been trying to meet the prime minister. So they always try to meet the prime minister. So it is also a repeated action. Third use is to describe an action which began before the time of speaking in the past. The action either stopped before that time or continued up to it. So examples क्या हो जाएंगे? The farmer had been ploughing since morning. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि ये यहाँ पे टाइम को यूज किया जा रहा है, एडवर्बियल टाइम, लाइक सिंस मॉर्निंग. ओके, एंड एक्शन क्या है? वो अभी तक चला आ रहा है, पास्ट एक्शन को बताया जा रहा है. सो द एक्शन चला आ रहा है या फिर इट हैज स्टॉप्ड, लाइक द फार्मर हैड बीन प्लॉगिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. सो द फार्मर्स आर वर्किंग, वो खुदाई कर रहे हैं कब से? सुबह से. The next example is the children had been playing for the last 1 hour. So again here also children खेल ही रहे हैं last 1 घंटे से. So here are some questions to see and check whether how much you have grasped the rules or not. And here are the, in the next page I have written the answers. So let us solve it. Like you dash my window glass. So V2 form use होगा. So you broke my window glass. I dash something near that place. So here past action is there. So C का क्या हो जाएगा? Saw. I saw something near that place. He dashed from London sometimes ago. So again he came from London sometimes ago. She bought an iPhone. Okay. बाई का V2 फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा? बॉट. फिर he dash anyone yet for the mission. So he had not chosen anyone. He had not choose anyone yet for the mission. Again they dash with the committee. They spoke with the committee. यहाँ पे बस हमें क्या करना है? वर्ब के फॉर्म को चेंज करके लिखना है. Now he dash on the table all day. So he stood on the table all day. Next is his head dash to the door. So his head strike to the door. I dash about this earlier. So I, here का क्या फॉर्म होता है? Here का here ही होता है. I heard about this earlier. The birds dash away in the sky. So the birds flew away in the sky. Dash, you dash with her yesterday. So you slept with her yesterday. Our soldiers dashed the battle. So our soldiers won the battle. A farmer committed suicide after hearing this news. He wrote a letter to the principal. An apple fell from the tree. You can also solve it by taking the screenshot of the questions and then you can check the answers. So we discussed today about the past tense rules, about past simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. In the next class, we will know the future rules, future tense rules. Thank you.